Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to try to find a horizontal tangent line to the graph of f function. The function is x plus 4e to the x. Horizontal tangent line means that it's going to be flat and the slope of that is going to be 0. So we're in fact looking for m, the slope of the tangent line, to be 0. But in fact, m is f prime at c. And here, I want this to be 0, so the question is like, what is c? So we're going to use the rules of differentiation. We have a polynomial x and the exponential part. So f prime of x, by using the rules of differentiation, would be, well, this is x, so the derivative of that is 1. Okay? And then I have 4 times e to the x. But since e to the x has the derivative e to the x, so this is going to be 1 plus 4 e to the x. This is the derivative of the function at any point x. So in particular, we check f prime at c. So that is 1 plus 4 e to the c. And I want to set this equal to 0 because I want the slope at point c to be equal to 0. Well, this is something that we recall from pre-calculus, solving an equation involving an exponential quantity here. So the way we do it is like we just leave the exponential term by itself. So we achieve that by subtracting 1 from both sides. Okay, and when we divide both sides by 4, we have e to the c equals -1. So we were looking for c so that e to the c is -1. Well, one quick observation is that exponential function is always positive. It can never, ever take a negative value. So we can immediately conclude here that c doesn't exist. And even if you take the ln of this quantity, so it's going to be c times ln e, but ln of -1 is undefined. So for that reason, well, ln e is 1, so c is just undefined. So c doesn't exist, in other words. All right, here is the graph of the function. As you see, no matter what point you pick, the horizontal line to the curve is not going to be a flat one. So the graph also verifies that there is no point where the given function has a horizontal tangent line. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.